Hello everyone, this is Nelson JM. Happy Sunday to you all. I hope your weekend yesterday was well. So today I want to show you how to wipe your Windows system completely. I just received a client job. He had a new PC and it's this one here. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad. It's a new PC. This Lenovo developed a problem while they were trying to install a lower version of Windows. It came with Windows 11, but they wanted to install a lower version. But most of the mistakes IT personnel do when they are trying to install a new operating system is that they install on top of the old data. That way, if there were any corruption within the system, the corruption will continue with that system. So I want to show you how to completely wipe. It's going to be short and I think you will love it. You can see this is the system. It boots up. This is the brand. It's Lenovo. I have a HP. The procedure will still be the same, and uh, this is also running Windows 8.1. I have my workstation. This white one works on Windows 10. The desktop runs on Windows 11, and also a lot of other devices that I have. So as you can see, this is the first screen you will see when trying to install. All you have to do is to hit the next button, but I can see that the mouse itself is not active, so I would get an external mouse. So after plugging in an external mouse, you can see my cursor is moving. I will just go to next and click. But if for instance you have this very situation where the cursor is not working, sometimes you might have locked the cursor somewhere on your touchpad, but sometimes it's natural because maybe the drivers were missing. So I'll just click next, install now. We'll just wait for it. This system is a 4 gig RAM system, so and I'm also installing it from an external device, so the speed at which it responds will be very fast. Depending on the type of activation you want to do, I would like to select the KMS because I would like to use KMS to activate this operating system. Then I would go next. You see the speed is a bit high compared to when you are using a disk. So uh, upgrade means an operating system was already inside. We would use the custom install, but you see a lot of things inside this device. Now these things you are seeing inside this device are actually either operating systems that we are set from the start or some other issues. So this operating system here written 15 gig is this device outside here. So since I'm using it to install, I would not touch it. I'll just go to the next, this one, recovery. I would delete this. So if you follow the same procedure, you have a clean install of your operating system without any issue. So I would also go to the system and delete it. Now I have 400 gig unallocated space. I'll go to the MBR reserve. This MBR reserve is a master's boot record in case if you are trying to install an MBR version of the operating system. This one is a GPT version. It's just a memory allocations table style. You don't have to worry about that if you are a newbie. I will just delete this one as well, and that is the primary hard drive. So now the complete system is empty and the system is unallocated. So I'll just come to new, and this is the total space. I'll apply it. Good. Now you see that it recreates all those reserves, but the part I want to install on is this primary, because that is the one that has enough size to pick the operating system, which is around 4 gig, and it's going to cover about 20 gig space. You click next and just wait for it. So right now, with the speed I have, this system will install at a very high speed, and uh, as you can see, it's going to install and the operating system will be very clean. The system will boot very efficiently without any problem. I'll upload another video for you to see how it goes. So according to my calculation, it took about 3 minutes for this system to completely install, and it's finishing up. As you can see, it's going to restart. So right now I'll just unplug this very device, because I have set the system to install from the to start installing from a plugged in USB. We have a warning.